question 13. Fionn has organised a conference in the Harvard Hotel. The hotel has given Fionn a graph to illustrate the costs for room hire with refreshments for different numbers of people. So going up here is the cost. 200 represents 10 squares. So 200 divided by 10 is 20. What this means is how much it costs for no people to go. And then the gradient tells you how much it costs per person. Okay? Calculate the gradient of the straight line. The gradient is the change in y over the change in the x. So the y is the vertical, or in terms of this one is cost. Alright, and the change in x is the horizontal, or the number of people. So what we got here, I'm going to do it for a nice value where 10 people. So I'm going to draw a line across. So what I'm going to do for 10 people, I'm going to draw a line up. And then I'm going to make it into a triangle across, which allows me, alright, the setup, that is 300. Going across is 10, and the height from 300 to 400 is 100. So the gradient is the change in the cost, which is 100, divided by 10, which is 10. Explain what the gradient tells you about the conference costs. Okay, so that means it tells me how much it costs. And we've found the gradient is £10, so it costs £10 per person for this graph. The straight line graph intersects, it'll be 30 seconds. The straight line graph intersects the vertical axis at £300. Explain what this tells you about the conference costs. It tells you how much the empty room hire is. Okay, so it just tells me how much the empty room hire was.